We've got Eric and Getaway Driving talking about Boxsters here. And I also thought about Boxsters for sure. For me, it was just a matter of wanting something extra special for the money. You know, the Boxster is more of a full, more of a real car, for sure, and probably better put together. But I don't know. I mean, I have no complaint. I mean, the Lotus is very light, and so a lot of the parts are very lightweight, and you could call them flimsy, I guess, if you wanted to, but I won't. I just call them, lightweight. Yeah. But then you get into a Porsche. I mean, the build quality is just really, really nice. It's different.
It is.
And you can daily it and not worry about it. You can get service for it, easily. There are tons of people who know how to work on it. So, those are all things that you give up. I mean, things like parts availability is no issue. Those are the kind of things that you start to run into with the Lotus that make it, just you have to, I don't know, pay more attention, I guess. And like you have to be, I don't know, it's just not the easiest car to own, right? Like it's a more challenging car to own, but it's also rewarding. I think, like you lost your gas cap today.
Thanks for calling me out on that.
Right.
Yeah, so speaking of maintenance, that's actually my first maintenance item. So, my gas cap, it doesn't come with that little piece of plastic to attach it to the car. So every time I take it off, I don't want to scratch the paint. So I'm always looking to see where to put it, not in my pocket. So, I put it on the engine cover and hope that my engine's not too hot. And left it there. I even closed the aluminum cover for the fuel cap without actually putting the fuel cap back in. I saw some dirt on the cover and I was trying to wipe off the dirt. That's what distracted me.
Oh man.
But apparently, there's some options for that thankfully aren't too costly that still work perfectly.
Did you find a replacement cap yet? Or is that
it's actually on order. I found it on eBay and saved myself probably 80% of what the factory part would be.
What does the factory one go for?
I don't know. I'm just making up that number.
Okay.
So it sounds impressive.
We don't make up, on another channel, you can make up numbers. But on this channel, we try to get things right.
Okay, so let me look it up. So my actual cost of buying it was like $23.81 or something shipped, which is at least better than what it would be coming from England.
Pretty good.